Are you a patchworker and you love English paper piecing, but you don't really hit the points and crossings? You want perfection in your piecing and every single point to match 100%? Have you ever seen one of those quilts where the pieces are so tiny they fit a fingertip and you love them but you have absolutely no idea how to do that? No problem. I am Miss.Violet.Needleturn, and in my free 3-day mini course How on Earth Did You Do That? Or an Introduction to Tiny Piecing, I show you how to handle the smallest pieces and how to work very precisely. How do I do this? Well, you have probably heard about the La Passacaglia quilt from Velina Hammerstein's Millefiori books. This is one part of it, and most quilters are afraid of these tiny pieces. This is the example for my course, and I will show you how to sew the most terrifying part of this, the star points. In this size. This is a third of the original size, and yes, it's tiny. I promise it's easier than you think if you know what you're doing. I show you every single stitch to make these tiny pieces perfect. Does this sound good? Sign up here at my page and I send you a mail as soon as the course starts, which will be around end of June 2021. No spam, I promise. Do you have any quilting friends who are as adventurous as you are? Let them know about my course and share the site with them. Thank you very much and see you soon.